Follow me, please. Why astronauts need their suits? The suits provides oxygen and removes carbon dioxide, keeps bodily fluids in a liquid state. The International Space Station is a large spacecraft that orbits Earth. It is a collaborative project involving space agencies from the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. Stand in the middle, then click on the teleport button. Let's get moving. Before launch, astronauts sit in a position facing the sky, reclining in their seats to handle the intense acceleration during liftoff.